What's the meaning of cliché? Cliché. Cliché.
Cliché. Cliché. A cliché is an overused expression or idea that has become predictable or lacking in creativity. It often refers to a phrase or theme that has lost its originality or impact due to its repeated use in various contexts. Clichés can be found in literature, movies, advertising, and everyday conversations. They can be seen as a shortcut to communication, but they can also be seen as a sign of laziness or lack of imagination. In short, a cliché is a tired, unoriginal phrase or idea that has lost its power to evoke emotions or thoughts.